Hello YouTubers, today I'm going to show a tutorial on how to make a paper boomerang, as you can see here. It's really simple to make, and the good thing about it is you have to split the paper in half, hot dog style. Alright, let's get to it. Turn it over like this. Fold it in half. So fold this edge to this edge. Open it. Fold these edges to this center and leave a little space, like this much. You have to make really good creases to make this. It's really fragile, I know, but it's worth making it. And later on, I'm gonna show you how to draw it. Fold this edge to the bottom edge. Make a crease along the top. It should look like a mountain fold. They call it mountain fold because it looks like a mountain. Now, once you're done, turn it like this. This edge is gonna be facing me or you, and fold it like this. Do the same on this side. Fold it to this line that's going vertical, and do the same on the other side. Now, what you're gonna do is tuck these inside. So just tuck them in. There. Do the same on the side. Make a crease. And there. You have your thingamajig segment. Anyways, open it up. Open one flap up. If you're left-handed, open this flap. If you're right-handed, open the right flap. I'm doing it this way, right? Because I'm right-handed. Now, as you can see, you have a triangle. Diamond. This line, fold it like this. And then turn it to the back and fold on these lines to make some extra creases. Now, fold this top flap up, and as you can see, this point needs to go to this edge, this flap. So you're gonna do that. It's gonna be on it. Then you're gonna squash that diamond like that. And as you can see, it's already forming. Now, what you're gonna do? What you're gonna do is fold this flap back to this part. Alright. Fold it like that. There. You have your boomerang. Second thing, once you're done, open it back up, open this flap, fold this flap down. What you're gonna do is put this inside here, and you're gonna fold that down. See? That's it. Now, there. Almost done. Now, we're almost finished. Now, pull this up. I made, I think, a little valley fold here. So tuck this in. Tuck it in. And then do that. And it has to be on the right side if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, it's going to be on the left side. Open this up. Put this inside, this flap inside here. But first, fold it down. And then you can put it in this flap. Make a crease. Do the same on this side. So this one only has one flap, so only do it on this side. If you're left-handed, the flap is going to be on this side. It's kind of hard. There. Now, put this in. Now flatten everything up. Now I'm going to show you how to fly it. To fly it, it has to be like this. And as you can see, this part is going like this. So, and it's going to have this flap. Like that. Right? It can't be like this. The part that has this flap has to be like this. Now let's fly. It's probably not gonna come back to me. See, probably didn't catch it. Alright, let's try one more time. Oops. Alright, one more time. Alright, anyways, we should fly back. Thanks for watching. Leave a subscribe. Goodbye.